Hello. 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 I think you can hear me now. All right. I don't know what the heck that was about. Every day, I swear there's like a new thing. It's like something sneaks in here and just changes something. All right. What up, everybody? I just want to make sure my wavelength is all the way up. Oh, there's Scotty. What's up, man? Hey, dude, I hate that broker that I had my bot on. That was crazy. Definitely not made for a bot. The commissions are too high. Scotty. Massive day today. Beautiful. Tell me what's up, man. James Cleveland, man. I know you're getting payouts. Loud and clear. Beautiful. I have to do one more thing just to make sure. There we are. All right. I had to make sure my wavelength was all the way turned up. The other thing I wanted to do was I wanted to try playing that other music that Aiden had. I think it was copyright free. I hope. We'll just see. We'll find out later, I guess, huh? Telegram, because I can't stand this music, to be fair. Actually, it couldn't have been. It couldn't have been. Let me ask him. Aiden, are you on here? 15K day, James? Is that on your funded? Thank you, Patrick. Let me check that, actually. Wow, I didn't even share this yet. We got 30 people. That's awesome, guys. Yeah, I keep forgetting to put it public while I'm live, which is really weird. I don't know why it just doesn't automatically do it. I tell it to, and then it doesn't. So there's so many weird things, like quirky little things that happen all the time here. Excuse me. Edit, visibility, public. Thank you, Patrick. Update videos. Now. All right. Well, that should be helpful. That's like the whole point, I guess. I'm going to share out the link now. It'd be awesome if somebody shared the link out for me. Pro Plus. Okay, so James is officially getting 15K. Oh, thank you, Scott. Appreciate it, man. You put it everywhere? Let's see. I think we're on a race. Okay. Well, I guess I won't do it. Did you tag everyone? At everyone in Facebook? Boot camp. Got it. Let me do the boot camp. Thank you, buddy. Boom. All right, let's look at the market guys real quick. This music can do something. Like, I don't want to ever hear this music again in my life. You start trading every day with it, it's like my brain's starting to rot, to be fair. Whoa. This is our experience yesterday on the end of the VIP. Members were literally you'd have to be there. That's all I could really say. Right, here we go. Well, we were right about everything. So let's see if we're going to reset it. And we're going to pull this down here. Here's the hour block. Let's grab this whole thing right here. Some kind of zone. Actually, this is an invisible block here. See how this is higher than this? So I'm going to mark this up. Put some lo-fi. Yeah, I tried lo-fi and then like here's lo-fi AI, which sucks. The problem is I can't just I had to upload an MP3 to this streaming service. So I'd have to download all of it. All right, so we're in this block right now. It's pushing up. Actually, did it make it to this one? Yeah, even made it to this one. Last ride before the up. So essentially, we had a potential. Here's the bounce, guys. Here would have been our first trade if we were on at this point. Anybody take that bounce? Would have been like right here. Had a nice, easy trade. So now we're gonna buy until we can't buy anymore. That's the move. Yeah, if we have any good moves, we'll do it. Also, yeah, we got to get back talking together. Let's see. Hold on 1 second. One of my kids decided that she wanted to talk to me right now. I know it's mostly Bethany thing, but could use future stacking sometime in these sessions. I could. Yeah, definitely on the VIP, the paid. We can. It's pretty awesome though. Let me load that up. Share that with everybody. It's a part of our. I mean, it's pretty amazing actually. It pretty much finds the fair value gaps in the higher time frame. So it's just kind of nice to have on. What the heck? Why is that one? Okay, I did have it on. So it's looking at the 5-minute fair value gaps while we are on the 1-minute chart. Me personally, I turn these other things off. I like to see the fair value gaps, but I like it clean. I don't need none of that personally. She has different strategies to go along with it. That's and just so you know, that's one of my students. I can't do this music. I'm sorry, not good enough. I can't. It's not like this is just really crappy lo-fi is the problem. It's not doing it for me, guys. Sorry. Epic plot. There we go. Get rid of that stupid. There we go. We're up in a 5-minute fair value gap. It should potentially come down to here from this. This should be like what we see right here. Let me ask my son if that file he sent me was copyright free. I wish it was that easy, bro. Well, you know, I put this on, and then people are like, I feel like I'm at a funeral. So it's like I can't, I'll see like a comment and it throws me off. I probably should just ignore everybody. By the same plan. Put this on. There we go. All right, we're on the 1 minute, guys. I'm gonna get this ready. All right. Whatever else teaches you, hey, go super tight, go right here underneath this low, and then you get wicked out, and you're like, oh, let me try it again. Oh, and you put it here, and it's so you want to be like 3, Like when you have a difference in points of 17 and 22, you might as well go with 22 and save your butt. You know what I mean? And 22 is pretty small for NASDAQ, to be fair. But if it just comes from here to here, that's a 1 to 2. I'm going to go ahead and get this on my quant tower. We're going to put on VWAP, or VWAP. Yep, should go home to VWAP land. If we can get this entry, it's 1 to 4, just going up to that VWAP. Pretty awesome, I think. Gotta be careful not to make too much in these accounts over here today. So I made too much earlier. How do I see account info? All right, here we go. 1225. All right, cool. I'm at ooh, that one's moving right along. It's got 1500 times 5 on those. All right, cool. So, all right, let me look here just in case it bounces off this. That would be stupid. We have a fair value gap. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put up this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and I'm gonna enter a little early. Just I don't want it to leave me, okay? Because I really want to hit this right here. With that said, I'm going to move my stop down to here. So it's 28-point stop. This is on the alpha funded. Yeah, we're only up 300 on that. So let's make this happen. The hard part is they make a limit of 10 micros that I can do. Oops. Until I'm at 1500. So if I buy right here, stops right here, that's max I could lose is 590 in that. So I'm just going to put it right there. Right there. So just come down here and wick this. All right, now here's the other way I'm going to enter. If it comes back up here, so if it rejects this, comes back up here, I'm going to get in with a bigger stop. So this is 600. I'll do 20 micros on this one. VWAP just makes targets easier again. Yeah. What's up, Tiffany? How you doing? What's up, Michael? Caught the 1 hour bounce up, a little scuff from a hospital bed. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Hey, bro, how was your back? How was your back going? Hold on. I'm gonna enter right now. I'm entering right now. Boom. Tell you why. I saw it wicking on that thing. Bye. So all I can get more on these is 3. Okay. Stop. Here goes. Trade number 1. Guys, hit that thumbs up button. Tap that thumbs up button and hit the like underneath the video, please. Let's get this out there. We have members only starting in 42 minutes. I started right on at 1 today, so you can if you're not a part of our daily live trading, it's way more exclusive. It's on a Zoom. You can join at solomontrading.com. It's just $97 a month. And we have a lot of other features. You can go check it out on the page. Also, highly recommend if you don't have 5-minute scalper yet. This is while we're in a trade, so I can tell you. I would highly recommend you head on over to 5minutescalper.com and buy this. It's just $7. You don't have to buy the upsells or anything like that, but that will teach you how I'm trading VWAPs. It's really easy. It helps you scan the market within 5 minutes. In fact, I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you just one thing while I'm sitting right here. So let's say we are on Forex, and you just want to scan the market real quick. One of the things I teach is you don't want to be you only want to start looking when it's 2 bands away, right? And that goes for the same at the top, right? So I don't want to trade that. This is looking good for me. All right, this is looking for potential. Now, I wouldn't have maybe taken all of these off. I would look left and look for more key zones, which I go over in that $7 course. But let me just scan real quick through. So like, I'm not going to look at this right now. This move already happened. Look, 2 bands away. It's already happened. See, this one already happened 2 bands away. You just got to know how to enter it, right? So I'm not looking at this one because we're at the blue. The blue one's the VWAP line. This one I would be looking at. So if I was looking for a trade right now, it'd be odd JPY or odd USD. If I was looking at Forex, you can do something like that and just start riding it up and then trail it, taking out liquidity. You know, so if you want to learn that kind of stuff, that's cool. It's just $7. Just throwing that out there for you. Let me go back over here. Right now we're sitting at a 75% win rate still. So we're just waiting for it to finish doing what it's doing. And none of it worked. There we are. We're just waiting. Aiden, hey buddy, real quick, is that? No, I mean these are new courses and stuff, bro. What you have as an institutional student, which by the way you got for very cheap. You had it at a special that now people are paying 3 times more for. That was a long time ago. No. But no, you got access to the one-on-one, their time, that kind of stuff. So that's, you know, I pay thousands of dollars in my team. Make sure they keep going. Christina loves 5-minute scalper. Awesome. I had L24 bone removal and several bone spurs trimmed, and then a partial bone graft fusion. Wow. And you just had that and you're trading? That's crazy, bro. Chill, man. Chill. Chill, bro. I know that this is the same guy that literally trades from his crane and is funded like... How much are you funded now, Michael? You answered my text. Okay, let me see. Royalty free. Okay, I'm gonna try Aiden's and see if they like screw me. His music is way better. 1 hour playlist, show and finder. Upload. So if I hear this song one more time, I'm just gonna turn off the channel completely. Thanks, Aiden. Michael is my hero. Yeah, he's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome guy. Kind of cool that trading can keep you busy while it's recovery. Michael's my hero. D&D RPG combat music mix 1 hour royalty free. Travis. Sometimes with the royalty free, we got to be careful too, but it should be fine. I don't know. We'll just see. $725,000 Michael's funded. He started with me, I think it was back in January. Now this guy just passes prop firm challenges in sleep and gets thousands a month in payouts and living his best life in a hospital bed. Everybody give a prayer for Michael's back. I mean, my gosh, you just had surgery. That's crazy, dude. That's so scary to me. Nice rejection out of that fair value gap. Yes, sir. So it should keep going up to this. At least this, and that'd be a 1 to 1.4. And I honestly will probably take profits here, expecting it to bounce off this fair value gap more, come back and re-enter. And we just buy until it doesn't buy anymore, right? All right, let's see if that music's ready. Nope, it's not ready yet. You're so funny, Scott. I think my there's something wrong with my site. I gotta go check it out today. I'm about to try it right now on Safari. I'm getting bugs. Is it ready yet? Nope. I wake back up. I wake up big time in my VIP. We have fun. I play copywritten music. we could watch movies. We can hang out. Scotty the Hottie praying for a speedy recovery. Yes. What's up, Alex McCoy? How you doing, buddy? Scotty the Hottie. Faux show. 5 minutes. Hey, can you go to 5minutescalper.com and check it out? No problem, man. I'm glad you have a customer. All good. What's up, Brad? How you doing, buddy? Gotta throw your likes both on the video and the stream, says Alex. Yeah, this is a quiet day. Brian Goldstein, yo, running around, but still in this trade. Beautiful. Come on. Come on, now that you're in the trade, it should go right up. There we go. Ah, good music. Ready? Ah. Interesting. My video is not playing on Safari. We're just nonchalantly in this trade, guys. No problem. Just slowly killing it. Justin Hirsch, what's up, man? Great to have you with us. I think it's time for hero music. This is hero music, my homie. New to trading, trying to pass my first eval. Thanks for the help. Awesome, Justin. You're in the right place, man. I think we've had 100 pass accounts in the last month. Easy. Different people. Easy breezy. You're in the right place. We should call this the passing factory. Oh, happy birthday, Brian Goldstein. Hey, man. 45? Is that what you said? Hope you're trading a funded and it's an absolute bangarang. Yeah, he's trading 3 funded. Oh my gosh, my coffee's almost here, guys. We're about to get the crazy Bob. I need to turn this up so I could hear it more. It's kind of the issue I'm facing right now. It's not loud enough for me. Facts. Aiden, you about to get a payout on that top step, my 17-year-old son? I have to say that out loud because that's what this is all about. Generational wealth. Generational wealth. I'm not copying, just trading one at a time. Just got 50. Amen. That's beautiful, bro. I was born the same as you, Brian. 1980, baby. I'm 1983. So I was still in diapers when you guys were turning 4. Actually, when you guys were turning 5, that's probably diapers for a couple of years. You're going to kindergarten. And I was just a little baby. Tana Wicker, nice, killing it. Let's see what she got. Just got 1,500 on that push-up. Beautiful. Beautiful. This is on a funded right now. I passed this funded with you guys, so this is real money right now. I really just want to hit this 50%, and I'll probably take this profit. Maybe it'll give us a nice little spike and fill this whole thing. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. I'm about to I'm going to get ready to take profits on my funded over here. As it pushes. A little harder. Come on. Don't you play this freaking wick game crap. Just push up. Fill the imbalance. There's nothing there. You don't want to wick out that little high. Just push through. Like, what are you doing? You're always playing games with my heart. What's that song? Quit playing games with my heart. Oh, man. Sorry, guys. 10 people leave instantly. Push! I feel like we're in that, we're like on a pirate ship. We're like, hee-oh! Like, push the gosh dang thing up. You know what I'm saying? Push! Wish my audio was louder. Harder, 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 harder. Bigger, 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 bigger. Okay. I'm going to grab this right now. That's 470 there. It's probably going to shoot up, but I want to get the entry on the way back down. So this is my next plan. Is literally right here. I'm still in on my funded, by the way. On the right. There we go. Come on, push. Harder. Push to the middle line. Push to the middle line. 50%. Come on. Come on. You want it. You don't want it? You want it? You want it? All right, let's grab 900 times 5. So I made 4,500 over there and 500 on this, roughly 500. So now we have this funded at 50,787, and I believe, yeah, I need 2 more profitable days on this alpha, and we get to see if alpha wants to pay us out. Not bad. It's like asking a woman to deliver. Push. My daughter was born in 1980. Nice. I think I'm the oldest one here. I doubt it, Tana. Doubt it. We were born in the best decade. Yeah, look at you. You always try to start. He always tries to start arguments. I promise you. That's Robert. He loves like saying comments that will get people mess. No, 70s. No, 1940s. 84 for Christina. Nice. I'm 83, so we're right there. 80s babies. Hey, you can call us babies all you want because I feel old. That's great to hear. Push it real good. My daughter was born in 82. All right, so congratulations. Who all profited on that trade? Let's go, guys. Who all profited? That was a 1 to 1.31 on that first trade right there. Freaking phenomenal. Why don't you go ahead and let me know in the comments if you profited in this. I have kids older than Bob. Wow, Mark, that's amazing. That's such a blessing, dude. Like, that's a dream. To get my kids that old and me be still around and then have some grandkids, that's the dream right there. That's the dream. All right, we have $523 for me working on challenges. Let's go. Mark Monfrey has, I have kids older than me. Joshua 1, beautiful. What's up, Joshua? How you doing, bro? Steve Wagner, 450 times 10. Let's go. Curtis, $500 for Robert. Tana made 1,971. I'm just kidding. That's her birth year. 1971. That's not that old. Come on. You can't be calling us kids yet when you're that young. That's crazy. That's like 50s. You better not say 50s is old because I'm right around the corner. My son was born 1980 as well. I have my kids spread out 1980 to 2002. Wow. That's good for you, bro. 510. Thank you, Bob. You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. $500 on that trade. Awesome, David. Smoke Eater. Thumbs up. David Rowe, $465 on that trade. Robert Fullenwider, $500 times 2 made $1,000. TP hit is, yes, TP was hit. I was just aiming for this nice little scalp. TP was hit. And then now I'm waiting for the pullback. So here's my next move is right here. Let me pull that up for you. Nice and easy day. Take my name off. $25 minutes till our members only. This one we get raw. It gets real in there. It gets crazy. The gloves come off. Have to be limited in this. So I try to give you guys some awesome stuff in here. Hopefully you guys like it. This next move could be amazing. The next move could push literally to here. So we got to kind of eyeball this and see. All right, there's a fair value gap. That's probably going to be my entry right here. When it tags that. Stop's going to be a little bit bigger because I want it to be under like this fair value gap, this block, this fair value gap, right? So just a little bit bigger. I'm going to limit order that sucker. Hold on one second. Trade. Boom. Limit. Entry would be like right in this area. Stop would be here. 640.10. All right. I'm entering. So I just entered again. This is 10, and that was 640, so it's 1,200. This would be 20. I want that VWAP, guys. I want that VWAP. Enter number 2. Oh, I never entered. Dang it. Oh. Get me out of that buy limit. What the crap? Buy. There. Thank you. Well, same entry. So if it takes this out now, I mean, it just wasn't meant to be. But I do think it should come up to this VWAP. Let's look at what Clarity X can get you. $32. Yeah, we should hit this. Anytime we're over the 30, there's like an 85% chance it'll go to the 80 for those who have Clarity. I don't know. That's a very bearish candle right there. Hopefully we don't lose this one. I mean, we put it in a place where we have a fair... Let me make this the fair value gap. We have a fair value gap. We have an order block. Let me make them darker. An order block. And then we have another fair value gap. This is our protection. A little messy, but hopefully you can see it. We have this order block that I hope it rejects. So it has to break through 3 things to lose, is what I'm trying to say. Just risk accordingly. Where's my coffee? Killing me, Smalls. Killing me, Smalls. TP hit, yeah. Dang it, youngest here. I'm the youngest here, IG. How old are you, Deity? You're a really good editor, by the way. Eisenhower was president when I was born. Oh my gosh. You're like in the history books, Mark. I'm just kidding. I traded London. That's crazy. Eisenhower. Wait, what? When was I? See, you're gonna trip me up, aren't you? Eisenhower. Eisenhower. Really? Well, congratulations, man. Dwight D. Eisenhower was the 34th President of the United States, serving 2 terms from January 20th, 1953 to January 20th, 1961. Let's get back above that view or that Fair Valley gap. Come on, what are you doing with me? This is what I'm hanging by. This is the only reason I took this. You see this strong close above this high? To me, it's an A+ setup. Thank you. Oh, I thought you were getting Starbucks. What? What kind is this? Is it too much? Okay. Thank you. Sometimes we got to wait these things out, guys. Hopefully it doesn't just keep going. I mean, that was an engulfing candle-ish. But we know... All right, a couple things on our side. This is holding us up. We had a fair value gap here, so a lot of times they're going to get like a false... Not a false, it would have been a good sell. But it's going to be a little bit more aggressive, like trying to fake people out, I think, is what I've kind of seen. And we know that this VWAP hasn't been hit yet. So we're being protected by this VWAP band line, this 5-minute block. I mean, let me move this fair value gap out of the way again. There we go. And this fair value gap. So that's pretty good protection. I mean, we got 3 things to protect us right here. So if we lose that, you got to feel good about that. You got to start celebrating. Be excited that you just lost, guys. What kind of psycho am I? Be crazy. Just be so happy that you lost a trade. All right, guys, doing a little business over here while I'm waiting. By the way, guys, inside Solomon Trading, I don't know if you guys, I think it's important for you guys to understand how I see order blocks. If you go over to here, we've had over, it's like 150 something people get this already. If you don't have this, I'll put the link to this training right here. This is probably like, this has helped more people than I could even fathom. Like, I mean, look at how many people grab this. Do you just come in here and put hashtag blocks underneath this post? Like, oh, this guy needs to be followed up with Abby Yanavar. go put hashtag blocks, and we will get that over to you. That's over on my community. It's $4.95 a month for that community. I had to put a price on there though because too many scammers. They're just getting like 20 scammers a day coming in. It's really horrible. But a lot of you are already members of that. Especially, all right. The other hack, if you don't want to pay $4.95 a month, I'm just going to tell you straight up, is just buy 5minutescalper.com or futuresmadeeasy.com. It'll get you in. Futures made easy. Like if you're looking to get started trading futures, or you're looking at how to set everything up and how to pass these prop firms, futuresmadeeasy.com. That'll get you in there too. So you can get into there for just $7 and not pay the $4.95. And then once you get in here, and this is just what I have to do with school, it's no way around it. You just come in out into this post, and I'll put the link to the post right now in the group. That way you guys can get to it. Yeah, tell me how to lock that Discord with verification. Actually, I'll look it up on AI. You don't have to tell me nothing. But yeah, I'm ready for videos, bro. I mean, I got so many lives. What I would recommend is just scroll through to where you see a post. But I need to start just smashing out lives or shorts immediately. I have to take my 250 and run. Have some things needed this afternoon, plus my rehab. Thanks, Bob, for just over 700 in an hour-ish. Hey, congratulations, David Rowe. Appreciate you, bro. Every day you're here. Love it, man. Love having you around. All right. Well, I'm liking this little indecision candle. Hopefully it wants to push off of this. I don't know. If we lose, remember, this is part of the 75% win. You got to lose 25% to keep it at 75%. It's just part of the game. We take a W every day, brother. Well, yesterday was a slow W. Yesterday was probably the worst. But almost every day we've been Wing. Oh, show. All right, here's that wick off that. Come on, let's push. Let's push on there. Yep, 5 days a week. And then on I do a Zoom for 2 hours after this with members only. So anybody a part of Solomon Trading VIP, Futures Bootcamp, or 101, which most people, they just join at $97 a month, and then they decide if they want to continue further with me. So that's like my lowest ticket to work with me closely. But you get me from 2 p.m. to 3:30, 4 o'clock every day, Monday through Friday. By the way, for anybody on here, who all likes the $97 a month with Coach Christian, Coach Bethany, and my Indicator Pulse X Premium, and then my stuff. All right, this isn't looking great, guys, but again, part of the show, part of the deal. We'll see. I mean, if it wants to come all the way down to that fair value gap, my gosh, I don't know what to tell you. Man, that's crazy. Come on, let's pull up. Push off that fair value gap. Come on. That's why we put it there. Push off of it. Push off. Everybody start blowing. You don't want to get under that green band. You don't want to get under that green band. Get up there. Everything's pointing that this should buy. It's probably gonna go. Nyeh. Come on. Get up. Get up. Get up. Let me turn up this volume. That's what's wrong. No! Fight! Everybody push up. Blow up. Yes, I do. Alright, she's filling. Hopefully it doesn't get past this. That's all you wanted. No! Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, push, 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 push. You got all. You got everything you needed out of that fair value gap. Come on. Go up. Go up. Get back above that line. Come on. This is where you DCA, guys, by the way. I just DCA'd on my funded. and I have the same size stop. Okay. I didn't change anything. It's just the same size. I increased it to 40. So I added one additional position on, not on here because I'm maxed out at 10 until I get to 1500. So if it comes here, I'm out on everything on my funded, but I'm doing low risk on my funded. So intense. There we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Push all the way up. Push all the way up. No, get above that line. Get above that line. No. No. Yeah, I put the background up very high just for that moment, just so we could go into battle. But I don't know. That doesn't look good right here, guys. I'm going to be honest. I was hoping for it to just smash. You really want to come down to this block? Is that what you're saying? Because the next move is that. So if we lose this, let me just get the next one ready. And if you're done for the day, be done for the day. You know what I mean? So this would be something like right here. Let me go for these highs. Let me go higher time frame. We have 10 more minutes for this session, then we'll continue up. So that would be a potential. Oh yeah, that should be a really good move actually if this doesn't hold. Hopefully ours holds. But, you know, I don't know. It could come down to this block. If it does come out of this block and starts rejecting 1 minute, break structure, I want to leave you guys on the free side, on this free YouTube, with something to go with. Hopefully that's all it needed. I mean, I like that it's back above there. Casper buttered my bread today. Okay. You can take Casper and... Let's see here. I'm just kidding. I felt like Spartan for a second. Yeah, I figured you did. You look like Spartan. Did you have like the mirror out and everything? Do you just sit in front of a mirror while you're trading, Steven, with your shirt off and listen to this kind of music? Tell me the truth. Come on, we need to get above that line, guys. It's not looking good. We need to get above this line. Come on, push up. So here's the next move. Just so you guys know, this is what I'm looking for, because I'm going to have to get off here in 8 minutes. If you're not a part of Solomon Trading VIP, just $97 a month. See, I just keep putting that in there. I'm hoping it rockets. Let me put a rocket out. Maybe we can get a rocket to push it up. But I just wanted to leave you with something. My next trade would be out of this block. Let me actually put it on 5 minute, and I'll show you. So it's going to be out of this little range. When it's like kind of wicky like this, I'll just grab the whole thing. That's a buy block. So I'd be looking for it to come down here and up. That's not what I hope happens right now, but if we lose this trade, that's my next move. And why? Because this is an external higher low, right? Kind of. Going back to yesterday, it's not actually anything, but we're bouncing off this 1 hour. I'm hoping it fills this right here and it comes up to this hour block. So technically, because it broke no structure here, these aren't even higher high, higher lows. Okay. This is what it is. So, I mean, we did close above this line now. Let's see if we could slingshot up. But this would be my next move, guys. So if it comes down here and starts rejecting, I would get in here for another buy. So there's always another trade, and to me, that's still an A+ setup, essentially. We just need to see this push. One giant rocket right now to end the day. Well, not end of the day. End the day with my free YouTube stream. Running out of room right here, so if it's going to do it, it's going to happen now. Whether it's lose or win, right now is the moment of truth. Running out of room. And no, it points right here. It points to our stop. It needs a rocket right now. Come on. Break through. Break through. A little bit louder for me. Come on, now. 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 Hard. All the way up. All right, on the funded. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Wait, I gotta see how much I made today. Dang. Let's see. Can't make too much on these ones. Three, two. 1149. Okay, 2083. I can't make more than 2,500 on these. We'll call it 2,000 more. Come on, push. All right, don't you do that. We have a little block here. Let me clean this out now. 5 minutes, guys, till we open up the next session. Let me get that ready, actually, while I'm waiting. Welcome all new members coming in. I see you. Sign in. Again, all the free people, you can take this next trade here if it doesn't go up from here. But if it breaks here and you're not in this, if it breaks here, this would be a good entry. Like you could literally enter off this, put your stop here, say even below this, and this could be a great target if it breaks up here. I mean, it could tank right now, but you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't listen to anything I say. Oh, that's stupid. Come on, get out of here with this crap. Man, it's going to tank on me last second, isn't it? Get out of here. Play off that little block. Go. Get up. Webinars. All right, guys, I'm putting the Zoom link in the private members only folders right now and on the Solomon Trading VIP school community. Get it all ready. Right, just posted it in Futures Bootcamp, Solomon Trading, and I'm putting it in the institutional group right now. Hey, Scott, would you want to go to 5minutescalper.com and check to see if everything's functionable on your phone and on the desktop? Maybe even do a couple test purchases. Don't buy the upsells, just a couple test purchases. On Safari, my video wasn't playing. And on, I don't know if you're even there. Oh, I thought we actually had a chance. What are you doing? No way. I thought we were in this. I thought we were about to win that sucker. Turn around. What are you doing? Get out of there. All right, guys. Well, you know the drill. That's the next move. This is the current move. Wait, where am I? No, that was the first one. Oh, let me go back. That's the current move. My bad. Well, hopefully it just rockets up from here. I got to go live in 1 minute, guys. Again, if you're not live with me, or if you're not a Solomon Trading VIP member, go to solomontrading.com, join right now, and you'll get access right away. solomontrading.com, right here. solomontrading.com, $97 a month. We also have a lifetime on there. Lifetime special. But hopefully this works out. Hopefully this doesn't just go blip, which it looks like it might. Let's look at a 5 minute real quick. I'm about to start up the webinar right now. So there was a little fair value gap messing around, being dramatic on us again right here. That played off of. Come on, push up here. Well, I'll update you guys if we lose. I'm going to start this live right now. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you're not subscribed, we go live every day between 1 p.m. and 2 p.m. Eastern every day for free. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. That's it. All right, guys. God bless. Take care. Back it out. Peace.